Hi, welcome to my very first YouTube video tutorial on business objects. I hope to create a series of tutorials that in the end you'll be able to create nice looking, useful business objects, web intelligence reports. During this tutorial I'll explain the very basics on how to create a very simple query and edit the report a little bit and save the report. If we want to create a new report, you click on File, New. From this, in the new document window, you've got two options. First one is you can select the business objects universe. The other one is other data source, which means you can include external data sources like Excel spreadsheets or CSV files in your report. But for now, we're going to stick with a universe. And the universe we're going to use is the eFashion universe. Once you selected it, click on OK, and the query window appears. Now the query window is made up of three main components. This bit here on the left is called the data window, and that contains all the objects you have available within your universe. So start off with classes. These are the little folder icons you see on your left, and classes do nothing more than grouping business objects, dimensions, these ones here in the blue icons, and measures. Measures are numeric values, so if I just select a measure in my report and you would run the report, you would just get a number, and that doesn't mean anything. So you're going to need to have dimensions to slice and dice that data to make the data more meaningful. So if we select the, what shall I pick, the year and quarter dimension objects, and you can simply either double click the objects and they will appear in the results objects, or you can drag them. And the results objects window, anything that is listed in here will be displayed in your report. You can also filter data by dragging objects to the filter window. So we're going to do that, and we're going to filter for year. Let's see if we push the drop down button here and we select values from list, we're going to select 2003. Once you've done that, click on OK, and we've created our first very basic query. So we're happy. We click Run Query. Okay, this is the standard report that is generated. As you can see, the report title doesn't make a lot of sense, so we're going to rename that to show, let's see, Revenue 2003. And you click on Enter. By the way, to edit the title, you just double click on the block and you can type anything you'd like. If you want to change the report tab, you can simply do that by right clicking on it and select Rename. And we're going to give that as well Revenue 2003. Okay, this is our first very basic report. Oh no, let's make it a little bit nicer. We'll drag this to the left. Okay, this is our very first basic report. All we need to do now is, if you want to reuse a report, you will have to save it. So you click the Save button here and we select Save As, and we're going to give the report a name called Revenue. Okay. Well, I've already created one. I'm just going to overwrite this one. Okay, that's the end of the first very basic web intelligence tutorial. During the next tutorial, I promise you it's going to get a lot harder. And in the next tutorial, I'll be going over formatting, totals, subtotals, blocks, sections, etc. So stay tuned for my next business objects tutorial. Thank you.